In this video, we are going to check whether a table exists in PostgreSQL schema. We can check whether table exists or not using these three SQL queries. The first one and second query checks from the information schema tables. Here we have to give the schema name and we have to provide the table name. Same here also. Schema name, table name. The third one is select statement. Select to underscore reg class. Here we have to give schema name as well as table name. I have pasted these three queries in video description. Let's check particular table, that is customer table, exists or not in my database. Here I am giving table name as customer and my schema is public. Same here also, public, customer name, here item. Here schema name is public and table name is customer. Let's log into the server. PSQL, switch to my prod server, LONPRD1. See here the message, you are connected to database London prod 1 as user Postgres. Now copy this query. Before that, check the list of the tables. DT. This many tables are there in my database. This is test server, so it has less tables. In production environment may contain hundreds of tables. For that purpose, we are going to run the customized query. Here schema name, type, whether it's a table, view or sequence, whatever it may be. Here the owner of the table name. Now we are going to check a table exists in particular schema or not. Now we are going to check that customer. If it is there, then output will be T, that means true. If it is not there, then output will be the F, means false. Let's run the query in this database. This query checking from the information tables whether this particular table exists in this particular schema. Press enter. See here output is T, which means true, which means table exists in public. Let's try another query. See, table item also exists. See, it's already there in the public schema. Try the third option, that is see, here it will give the output, customer exists. Now try with the another table name which is not existing in this database. Here I am going to change the table name to item 1, or here try with items because it's not there. Here only item is there in public schema. Now try with this query because this table not exists in this public schema. Right click and paste the query and press enter. See here output is F, which means false, which means this items table not exists in public schema. This is the process of checking whether the table exists or not in PostgreSQL server. For more updates, please subscribe. Thank you.